Stephen Preston for Inbroadcast, and with me is Francois Quereuil from Aspera, who's going to give us some information about software as a service for file transfers, and also a little bit about streaming.
Hi, Steve. So we're at IBC and we are launching our first software as a service platform. We call it Aspera Files. It is meant for large content sharing and collaboration. Very simply, our customers have been asking us to provide them with Aspera as a service. They wanted us to manage it, provide a very intuitive and easy to use experience for their own users and their own partners. So we've been working for quite a while on defining the user experience and the performance of Aspera Files. Also worked quite a bit on the security model. Obviously, security is paramount when it comes to exchanging files over the internet. Luckily enough that we are now part of the IBM family. We've been part of IBM for a year and a half, and that gave us really strong ties with IBM's SoftLayer group. And SoftLayer, if you're not familiar with them, is IBM's cloud offering. They've been investing billions of dollars in building extremely high-performance infrastructure all over the world, and we are able to leverage that for Aspera Files. So we are basically bundling this service, Aspera Files, built on the IBM SoftLayer cloud, which folks will be able to sign up for in the next quarter this year, in Q4. The other really interesting thing about Files is we are giving our customers as much flexibility as possible when it comes to which infrastructure they really want to use. So obviously the service is hosted on the IBM cloud. However, if customers have content on the Amazon cloud, on the Google cloud, on the Microsoft cloud, or even in their own data centers, they can link all of these different platforms centrally from Files and leverage all those content buckets and even move them from one to the next. So as much flexibility as possible for our customers.
And just moving on to the streaming service you're providing?
Yes, so not quite as much of a service, not very similar to Aspera Files, but for about a year and a half we've been working on streaming. Obviously Aspera has, for the past 10 years, developed a highly efficient way of moving very large data over a wide area network or the internet. And our customers have been asking us, well, can you actually stream data using the same characteristics? Because your transport is extremely efficient, it's very resilient, gives great performance. So we started working on that, and we now have this new, it's a set of APIs that basically allows streaming within our core technology. We call it Fast Stream. And the key advantage of this technology is providing highly efficient, very robust transfer real-time of high-resolution video. And the applications are multiple and very, very interesting. Last year, this technology was used as sort of a foundation for transporting a lot of the live second screen experience for the World Cup. And now we see a lot of new kind of ways this technology can impact high-resolution streaming to consumers, but also high-resolution streaming in the actual production process. You know, we can enable things such as moving high-resolution video straight to an encoding, transcoding software in the cloud, and then in turn make that available in near real time to consumers. I could also see applications in sort of review and approval type workflows where instead of having to download a file or stream a low quality video, actually getting a full res pre-visualization of the content you're working on. So this is a solution that we're working with customers and partners into integrating it into things they're doing today. It's not necessarily a commercially available package, because there's a lot of tweaking and customization that needs to happen depending on what customers want to do.
And when will this be available?
It is available today.
Okay, all right. Okay, and where should people go for more information about Aspera?
So for more information about Aspera, you can go to our website. It's asperasoft.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, and our Twitter handle is @asperasoft.
Francois, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve.
This is Stephen Preston for Inbroadcast.